Sometimes you might find yourself riding your bike and wanting to check the GPS on your phone or check messages you've received. That's when a good quality bike phone holder comes in particularly handy. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to present you with a list of the top 5 best bike phone holders available on the market. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, be sure to check out my video description. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Rokform V4 Pro Series Bike Stem Phone Mount. The Rokform V4 Pro Series Bike Stem Phone Mount is another very popular cycling phone holder. But what I really love about it is how you can tilt your phone on the go from a very low and aerodynamic profile up to 55 degrees. The Rokform V4 Pro Series Bike Stem Mount phone holder is made with military-grade and aircraft-grade aluminum for robust construction, and it's also very lightweight. It has a good, innovative locking system featuring a quarter-turn system, combined with magnetic technology in order to keep your phone securely in place at all times. It's easy to install and all the hardware and tools you need are included in the box when it arrives. It's made right here in the USA, specifically in Orange County, California. Overall, the Rokform V4 Pro is a good quality smartphone holder for mountain biking. Number 4. Shapeheart Magnetic Bicycle Phone Holder. The Shapeheart Magnetic Phone Holder represents one of the best options when it comes to value for money without being cheap. The Shapeheart Magnetic Phone Holder is a magnetic mounting system that can be mounted on the stem or handlebars of your bicycle. It comes complete with a waterproof bike phone mount bag. There is a small opening flap on the rear of the case that cannot be sealed, preventing it from being completely waterproof. If this flap could be sealed and closed, this cell phone mount would be in the top spot. And I also found the magnet to almost be too strong at holding the phone in place. I tested this unit on my mountain bike on gravel roads and fire trails. The mounting system and magnet worked well as a handlebar mount or as a stem mount on rough terrain. While I didn't try to do any Red Bull-style jumps, I found the system to work well at protecting the phone. This phone mount gave me confidence that the phone would fall off easily. Number 3. Quad Lockout Front Mount Pro Bicycle Mount. What I love about the Quad Lockout Front Mount Pro Bicycle Mount is that it's designed to position the phone directly in front of you, perfect for a quick glance without having to look slightly to the left or right. The Quad Lockout Front Mount Pro Bicycle Mount is also one of the most secure phone holders out there, thanks to the patented 2-stage, spring-loaded locking mechanism. What's more, it's not just for regular bikes. You can also use it on your motorbike, car, or even your desk. It's quick and easy to attach and detach your phone, which is perfect if you need to grab your phone quickly for whatever reason. It has a good, solid, yet lightweight construction, having been made with a super rigid anodized aluminum arm, partnered with stainless steel hardware. Number 2. Nite Wraptor Rotating Smartphone Bar Mount. The Nite Wraptor Rotating Smartphone Bar Mount is one of the most secure and convenient phone holders you'll find anywhere. The positioning of the Nite Wraptor Rotating Smartphone Bar Mount is really good because it's just next to the bike handlebar, and whether you're left-handed or right-handed, this means that it can be put close to your hands for easy access. Perfect when you want to enlarge a map. The Wraptor provides edge-to-edge screen visibility and doesn't leave the screen obscured. It also stretches to fit a smartphone of any size, which is handy if you think you might change your phone in the future. And you can view the screen in either portrait or landscape view. It has a universal mounting strap that's compatible with the large majority of handlebars. It has a durable construction, made with durable silicone and with a watch-like method of fastening. It's easy to install, and you won't need any special tools or hardware to install it. Plus, if you ever wish to remove it for security purposes, it's easily removed. Number 1. Roam Adjustable Bike Phone Mount. Where the Roam Adjustable Phone Bike Mount really stands out is in just how easy it is to attach and detach your phone from the mount using a premium quality silicone net. This net is heavy-duty and weather-friendly. But fear not, the silicone net is not the only thing keeping your phone secure as you ride. It's in addition to a premium plastic grip. And that's not all. The Roam Adjustable Bike Phone Mount also offers 360-degree rotation, which is perfect if you're looking at maps on your phone as you ride, and you need to adjust your view of it. You can adjust it on the go. It has a universal fit and will fit phones up to 3.6 inches wide, including several of the latest iPhone and Samsung models. You position it on the handlebars, and you can have it sitting as close to the center or as close to your hand as you like. The mount has an impact-resistant grip and a good locking feature to keep your phone secure and stable. Overall, the Roam adjustable bike phone mount is a good budget bike phone holder for cyclists. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.